Hello Achievers, welcome to Shakti's Knowledge Hub, myself Dr. Shakti Suganya. Before starting our today's video, I would like to share a very good news and a thanks with you all. The thing is, our channel reached more than 1000 subscribers and we got our community tab as well as the next stage. We are in the next stage of our channel. This thing becomes possible only because of all your support and encouragement, and also continue your support. We are having so many contents to share with you. Every day whenever I am reading all your comments, I feel very happy. I have no words to express what I feel. So this is the thanks from the bottom of my heart, from myself as well as from my family and the team of Shakti's Knowledge Hub. So this is the very big thanks because we got our community tab and we are in the next level of our channel. So soon we will have a live video also for any discussion or the further thing. So that thing we will update you soon. So today's discussion is about a general topic that will be useful for you in a career aspect. You might got an idea by seeing the title of the video itself, that is in the thumbnail. Face your face. So the today's discussion is about the topic face your face. You might start to think, what is that face your face? Imagine you are preparing for your interview or maybe for any presentation or any seminar in your institution or maybe in your workplace or whatever. The thing is, you are going to present yourself with some of the content in front of so many people. So that is the scenario. If this is the situation, you need to go with more practices, like practicing again and again, and that thing you will execute in front of someone before going to your actual presentation, like maybe your parents or maybe your sibling or your teachers or some of your friends or whomever it may be, any of your well-wishers who will be guiding you how to do and don'ts, like do's and don'ts of the presentation. So this is the place where you need to concentrate mainly. So this is just a very simple and easy exercise and a simple thing to follow to make your presentation much better. So the simple idea is, you are going to present in front of yourself. You will get confused, I will explain you. So before going to your actual presentation, definitely you will have a trial with someone. This is what we have discussed. So during the trial, if you made any mistake or if you've done any small things to be corrected, that thing will be an excuse from your friends or maybe your family or any of your teachers' point of view, because they want to encourage you in any way. So even though you commit any small mistakes or any small things to change, they will accept that thing as a considerable one. So that is not a mistake. The thing is, they are encouraging you from their angle. But the thing is, you need to give a presentation in a very perfect way. So instead of giving your practice and making your trial in front of those people, if you have those trial and practice in front of the mirror, that is facing yourself, you will definitely get a very good result or outcome of what you are doing in each and every stage of your preparation and the presentation. So each and every mistake, whatever you are doing, will be clearly expressed and will be exposed by your mirror in a very perfect way, without any excuse or without any consideration. So this thing is not only applicable for the preparation and presentation of your seminar or maybe whatever. The thing is, if you are doing something, maybe you are crying, you are laughing, or your expression of any of the emotions or so many other things, what you are expressing in front of others, that thing if you practice in front of your mirror, definitely that will help you a lot. Because if you make any small changes in your eyeball, that is the eye movement, or maybe your gesture, posture, so many things is there to be considered during the time of your presentation. So each and everything matters a lot. So that every point will consider you or will give you a very clear-cut idea or a clear-cut result about your presentation when you are doing the practice or your trial presentation in front of the mirror. You just have a trial in your room in front of the mirror. Just see what is your facial expression, how you are expressing, or what is your physical expressions like gestures, postures, your eye movement, or like your eye contact and so many other things. Definitely you can judge yourself in a very clear manner. You are the best criticizer of yourself. So you have to judge yourself in a very proper manner. So that is the reason I am insisting you again and again, do this practice in front of the mirror. It can be anything, your emotion or anything. You will identify what mistake you are making in that situation or what is the thing you need to change whether some expression is in a high manner or maybe in a low manner, which thing you need to adjust, or the plus and minus of each and everything what you are doing during your presentation. So this is one of the important thing I would like to share with you for all your presentation that will help you in any time. So you may be a student or maybe a career person. The thing is, you have to develop yourself from your point of view. That is what the thing we have discussed from the SWOT analysis itself. Have a trial of what is the thing we have discussed today and mention your comments in the comment section, like what you experienced or how you feel about that mirror presentation that is facing your face. So have a trial, just find yourself, think and grasp what you found from that presentation or maybe the trial. It can be anything just for your practice. So let us know in the comment section, or if you feel to share us separately, you mail it to our Shakti's Knowledge Hub mail ID, which we have given in the about page. This is the very first time we are taking our SKH video in outdoor, but the nature is not supporting us today. It's raining, so I'll be moving inside for our next video, that is the Tamil. That will be our 100th video of Shakti's Knowledge Hub. If this is the first time you are seeing our channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future notification. All the wonderful videos with career oriented contents and subject related contents in English and Tamil is in its progress, and also many of you are asking for the material to be uploaded, so for that also we are working. Sorry for the delay, still it is in the progress, so definitely we'll update you soon in a very short period. We are apologizing for that, and thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Shatter your breakbends and relish your success journey. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.